Spain's Supreme Court has decided to shelve the Tsunami Democratic Protest Group case against former Catalan President Carles Puigdemont. This is Catalan News in 100 seconds. The decision comes after Spain's National Court dismissed part of the case due to a procedural error. Puigdemont and Esquerra Republicana MP Ruben Wagensberg faced terrorism charges. Yesterday, the National Court also shelved the case, benefiting Esquerra's leader, Marta Rovira, who could return to Catalonia as soon as this weekend. However, far-right Vox Party does not agree with the decision.
Eran grupos de delincuentes que protestaban por una sentencia y protestaban no en los tribunales, no en segundas instancias o en apelaciones, sino reventando la ciudad, quemando containers.
On the other hand, a judge has rejected an amnesty for Carles Puigdemont in the alleged Russian plot to support Catalan independence. Aside from Puigdemont, who faces crimes of treason, embezzlement and criminal organization, former Catalan President Artur Mas is also under investigation. Barcelona Hotel Guild considers the action seen during a demonstration against mass tourism as unacceptable. Some of the 3,000 protesters squirted water at visitors using colorful plastic pistols on Saturday. Blue tongue virus spreads to all of Catalonia, affecting over 40 ruminants after new cases were confirmed today. The Catalan Agriculture Ministry says they have already administered 30,000 jabs, mainly in Barcelona, Girona and Lleida areas.
La preocupació per el que seria la societat o la carn i la llet és zero perquè no hi ha efecte i per tant la principal preocupació és de cara al sector.
A rural school was on the verge of shutting down over 10 years ago, but now there are 50 students after opening a kindergarten and seeing many families move into Vilada in inland Catalonia during the COVID-19 pandemic.